Hi everyone. I'm going to review an easy, profitable trade I took this morning in NFLX, and I'll highlight the factors that made this a high probability trade and a trade that worked. On the chart, I have three moving averages, the 20 SMA in gray, the 200 SMA in yellow, and the 8 EMA in blue. I always have moving averages up on my charts. They indicate the direction and strength of price momentum, if there is any. And since this is a day trade, I also have Fibonacci levels drawn based on the last 2 days of price activity. And since this has been an area of weakness, they're drawn from the low of the last 2 days to the high of the last 2 days. In this trade, I bought shares of NFLX at the retest of yesterday's low. It coincided with today's low. It's important to note that yesterday's low of 212.52 matches up with this fib level here. When buying shares at an area of potential support, I always want to see that at least two technical signs are indicating that it's an area of potential support. And here I've got both a fib level and yesterday's low to work with. I traded this on the 15-minute time frame. This green candle here at 10:15 found support back in the area of yesterday's low and this fib level at 212.53, and it pushes all the way up and closes up here. At the close of this candle, I take a long position at 213.70 with a stop loss just below the low of the day where it found support. And my first profit target is at the next area of potential resistance, which is up at 214.80. And once I have my first bit of profit taken up there, my stop loss gets moved to break even, so that on the remainder of the position, I've taken the risk completely off of this trade. Beyond there, I have a choice of taking the rest of my profit perhaps at the next fib level of resistance, which is 215.67, or I may hold on further. In this case, I held on longer because of the strong slope of the 8 EMA, and because the market in general was having a very strong morning, I held on up to the next fib level at 216.37. That coincides with yesterday's high of the day, right around that area. So it's the perfect place to take the rest of my profit off. Notice that the price did continue beyond there, but I'm not trying to call an exact high. I just want to get the clearest, highest probability profit and move on to the next trade. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and thanks for watching.